National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Highland County, Ross County, northwestern Pike County, Pickaway County, southeastern Franklin County, Fayette County, southeastern Clinton County, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:27 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from New Martinsburg to Danville, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Washington Courthouse, Greenfield, New Holland, Bainbridge, Circleville, Asheville, Kingston, Chillicothe. In addition, Staunton, East Monroe, New Martinsburg, Rock Mills, Good Hope, Bloomingburg, Highland County Airport, and Marshall are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Severe wind gusts are expected to occur, even with little to no thunder and lightning expected. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.